and welcome to the Irene Consulting Firm podcast, your go-to source for clear, expert-driven conversations on bookkeeping, payroll, and financial growth for small business owners. Today's episode is a must-listen for employers, Payroll Pitfalls in 2025, what every small business needs to know. Joining Irene is a Payroll Compliance Specialist, Ryan, who will break down key updates in labor law, tax reporting, and wage thresholds, helping you stay compliant, avoid penalties, and protect your business. Let's get started now.
Hi everyone, and welcome back. I'm Irene from Irene Consulting Firm, where we help small businesses get their books and payroll right, on time and on budget. Today, I'm excited to dive into a topic that's already causing confusion: payroll pitfalls in 2025. With new federal regulations starting this January, you can't afford to ignore compliance. And to help us make sense of it all, I'm joined by Ryan, a payroll compliance specialist who works with companies across the U.S. to stay on the right side of the law. Welcome to the podcast.
Thanks, Irene. Glad to be here. This year is shaping up to be a big one for payroll changes, so I'm glad we're having this conversation.
Let's start with what's changing in January 2025. What's the most urgent update small business owners need to know?
One of the most urgent changes is the Department of Labor's update to the Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA. As of January 1, 2025, the minimum salary threshold for exempt employees increased to $844 per week, or $43,888 annually. And it's not stopping there. On July 1, 2025, it will increase again to $1,128 per week, or $58,656 annually. This means many employees who were previously exempt from overtime may now qualify for it unless their salaries are adjusted. We're also seeing state-level reporting changes, like pay transparency laws and wage detail reports in places like California and New York. Businesses need to review their payroll systems now to stay compliant.
How might these changes affect businesses with only a few employees, say, under 10?
Even small teams aren't exempt from these rules. In fact, they're more vulnerable because they may not have internal HR or legal teams monitoring these updates. If you misclassify an employee or don't pay required overtime, it doesn't matter if you have 2 or 20 employees, you're still legally responsible. The risk of underpayment or non-compliance is high, and the penalties can be devastating for a small business's budget and reputation.
From your experience, what are some of the most common payroll mistakes small businesses still make?
I see 4 mistakes repeatedly. 1. Misclassifying employees as independent contractors, which leads to missed tax withholdings and benefit issues. 2. Missing payroll tax deposit deadlines, which results in interest and penalties from the IRS. 3. Ignoring updates to state and local payroll tax rates, especially in states that change mid-year. 4. Filing inaccurate or late W-2s and 1099s, which can trigger audits and penalties. These mistakes are preventable, but only if payroll is treated as a priority.
Let's break down one of these. Misclassifying workers, why is that such a big problem in 2025?
The IRS and many state agencies have made worker classification a top enforcement priority in 2025. They're cracking down harder than ever, and the fines are increasing. Beyond the financial risk, misclassification affects an employee's access to benefits like overtime, unemployment insurance, and health coverage. It also exposes the business to lawsuits and tax liabilities. So, it's not just a paperwork issue, it's a legal and ethical risk.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.
How can small business owners make sure they stay compliant this year without getting overwhelmed?
Start by using updated payroll software that reflects the new 2025 thresholds. But don't rely on software alone. Work with a bookkeeper, payroll specialist, or compliance advisor who can help you interpret those changes. Review your employee classifications at least once per quarter, and set a payroll calendar that includes deadlines for filings, deposits, and audits. It's about building a habit, not scrambling at the last minute.
Great tips. I always recommend a payroll checklist to my clients, especially those who outsource their payroll. But here's a question I often get: if you use a payroll service like QuickBooks or Gusto, are you automatically safe from mistakes?
No, and that's a common misconception. Payroll software is a tool, not a guarantee. If the wrong classification or wage data is entered, the system will process payroll based on that incorrect input. Ultimately, the business owner is still legally responsible for ensuring accuracy, compliance, and timely filings. Think of payroll software as a calculator. It's only as accurate as the numbers you feed into it.
Can you share a quick example of a business that got in trouble because they didn't adapt to the 2025 updates?
Yes, actually. I worked with a small digital marketing agency that had 4 full-time employees and 2 contractors. In early 2025, they didn't realize that the Department of Labor had raised the minimum salary threshold for exempt employees under the Fair Labor Standards Act. One of their project managers was classified as salaried and exempt, earning $42,000 annually. Under the new 2025 rule, the threshold had increased to over $43,888, meaning this employee no longer qualified as exempt from overtime. The agency kept paying her the same salary and expected 50-plus hour weeks, no overtime pay. She eventually filed a complaint, and after a brief audit, the business was required to pay over $8,000 in back wages and penalties. It was a costly mistake that could have been avoided with a simple compliance check.
What would you have done differently in that case?
I would have advised them to conduct a payroll classification audit in December 2024, before the rule took effect. That includes reviewing each employee's job duties and salary against the updated FLSA thresholds. I also would have recommended setting up a compliance calendar with automated alerts for federal and state changes. Payroll isn't just about software, it's about staying informed. A quarterly review with a compliance specialist or bookkeeper like yourself helps catch issues early, before they lead to penalties.
Before we wrap up, what's one action step every business owner should take after listening to this episode?
Schedule a payroll compliance review before your next payroll run. Don't wait until the IRS or U.S. Department of Labor knocks on your door. Even if you think you're doing everything right, it's worth getting a second look from a professional. It could save you thousands and a lot of stress.
I 100% agree. If you're listening today and you don't know if your business is fully payroll compliant, now's the time to get help. You can reach out to your bookkeeper or to me directly at Irene Consulting Firm, and we'll guide you step by step. Ryan, thank you again for your time with us today.
Wow, this is so amazing. You've been listening to the Irene Consulting Firm podcast. Thanks to Irene and Ryan for this incredible podcast. Today's topic: Payroll Pitfalls in 2025, what every small business needs to know. If you found value in this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you're a business owner who needs support with payroll setup, compliance, or cleanup, visit ireneconsultingfirm.com or connect with Irene directly on LinkedIn. Stay compliant, stay protected. As for me, I'm enjoying my vacation aboard my private jet. Have a wonderful day. And we'll see you in the next episode.
Looking for motivational apparel and essentials to kickstart 2025? Visit my Etsy shop, Irene Biz Essentials. Simply go to www.etsy.com/shop/Irene Biz Essentials and grab your favorites today. Link in the description.